everybody. Welcome back to the Nature Exchange. We got some more stuff to trade in the Nature Exchange. Like this big piece of dolomite. And this piece of ammonite. And also, we got some fossil poop. And a belenite. And this is a brachiopod. And here we got some locust shells. And another piece of dolomite is in the car and it's super big. Butterflies! Dragonflies! Those look like dragonflies and butterflies. So awesome. Recording, Dad?
It'll be good practice. You guys want to maybe get a scavenger hunt today? You want to do the same scavenger hunt? Sure. We haven't done that yet. We don't bring the camera. So, I'm going to ask you then. We have a couple of places you could go. You can do a scavenger hunt.
What is it?
Sea urchin.
Another one.
Okay. Let me see if I have.
That is a nice piece of amethyst
I
there.
bet somebody already put her on the
If you want to get points today, you're going to have to turn it into a little box.
Ooh. Did we trade this in?
What's that?
It was just. Wait, not amethyst. Quartz.
Yeah, looks like it.
Doesn't have a price.
It's okay, you have plenty of quartz already.
What do we don't have? What are the ones that you crack open that are like quartz inside?
You just had one in your hand. You getting a geode?
Yep. Let's go.
Here you go. Here. It's 500.
So how many points do we have now? Well, mine is
11,445.
Here, Dad, can you hold this? Hi everybody, let's go see some animals. Dad, come on, let's go look at some animals.
Look it up. Look it up.
Ooh, there's a nest. There's a bird. Where's the birdie's nest? There's supposed to be a birdie's nest.
It's right here.
Where's the opening?
Looks like that one got moved.
That's sad.
Well, the chicks probably got grown up.
Whoa. Can you find the other one? Oh, that's a carrot. I thought I naked more up, but it's a carrot. Second, I thought that was a naked more up, but that is a stinking carrot. Nothing over here. I only see some. Ants. What are those?
It's a velvet ant.
Velvet ant. Do they bite?
I don't know, but let's not find out.
Find out. Oh, they changed it to a lizard.
There.
Oh, there it is. I see the lizard.
Sorry.
Yeah. Girdle-tailed lizard.
Oh, it's a snake. Dad.
They changed it to a snake?
Head. I
Nice.
thought that was a frog.
They used to have a tarantula in there. Now we got a king snake. There's a raccoon. Well, raccoons are nocturnal, so he's probably asleep.
I don't see it.
In the water.
Now I see it. There's two, right?
I don't know about right now, but usually.
They're pretty, aren't they? They're pretty.
Those are black ant stills. They are black and white.
I wonder what's in here.
A toad. Can you find the toad?
Toad. Hello. Three toads. Oh, there they are. That was hard. Right, Dad? I mean the water bug. Is it? Oh, there it is. It's on that leaf. And here's that snake. Oh, I don't see it. It's hard.
There he is.
There he is. I see him. His body leads all the way.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Seahorse. One seahorse that is moving. 2, 3 seahorses that are moving. 4 seahorses that are moving. 5 seahorses that are moving. 6 seahorses that are moving. Chocolate chip sea star.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Yeah, I'm smart. What if one of those fishes touched that?
They would not.
Yeah. Well, is that the eye of it, the sea urchin?
Nope.
Or is it the butt of
It's
the sea
the
urchin?
butt.
The butt of sea urchins. The butt of sea urchins. The butt of sea urchins.
Got a spotted shell turtle and a bog turtle. A frog ate Atlas! Oh no! What are we gonna do?
Hey everybody, Welcome back from the nature exchange, and this is what we got.
What is it?
A geode and some amethyst. And today we're gonna crack open this geode. It's ready. You like the geode we got? We cracked it open.